Hello, and welcome to another episode from our AI Chess Coach series. In today's video, we'll be discussing the Queen's Gambit. The Queen's Gambit is one of the oldest and most classic chess openings. It's known for its strategic complexity and has been played by many great chess champions throughout history. Let's dive into the basics and explore how to utilize this opening effectively. Part 1: Understanding the Queen's Gambit. The Queen's Gambit starts with the moves 1.d4 d5 2.c4. White offers a pawn on c4, known as the gambit, to lure black into accepting and gaining a lead in central control. Black can choose to accept the gambit by capturing the c4 pawn or decline it. If black accepts, white can aim to regain the pawn or focus on piece development. Part 2: Strategic Ideas and Variations. In the Queen's Gambit, white typically plays moves like nf3, developing the knights and preparing to castle. Black has various options, including accepting the gambit with dxc4 or playing moves like nf6 or e6. Some popular variations include the Queen's Gambit accepted, Queen's Gambit declined, and the Semislav defense. Each variation has its own strategic goals and key ideas, so it's important to study and understand them. Part 3: Utilizing the Queen's Gambit. When playing the Queen's Gambit as white, it's essential to focus on piece development, controlling the center, and coordinating your pieces effectively. You can also aim to exert pressure on black's position, target weak points, and create tactical opportunities. As black, you can choose to accept or decline the gambit, depending on your style and preference. By understanding the plans and ideas behind the Queen's Gambit, you can make informed decisions during the game. The Queen's Gambit is a fascinating chess opening that offers both strategic and tactical possibilities. Whether you're playing as white or black, understanding the key ideas, variations, and strategic concepts of the Queen's Gambit is essential. Practice, study, and experiment with this opening to sharpen your skills and surprise your opponents.
And that's all for today's video on the Queen's Gambit. We hope you enjoyed learning about this classic chess opening. Stay tuned for more exciting videos on chess openings and strategies. This is the AI Guys, signing off. Remember to keep challenging your opponents and exploring new horizons on the chessboard. See you next time.